y'all, JTSpeeds here. I'm back with another one. Today we got a different type of video. I'm talking about how I got ran over by a car. I got footage from the whole night, everything leading up to what happened. I was being dumb, you know what I mean? This was quite a while ago, but I just wanted to share the story with you guys. I have footage of the whole night, like I said. So don't try to do any of this. You know what I mean? Like, I'm glad to be okay. You get what I'm saying? But this was like a crazy night, to say the least. And I just wouldn't wish this on anyone. It doesn't feel good to get ran over by a car. So now I'm going to show y'all the footage. If y'all want to show some support, like and subscribe. Hey, this is what happened leading up to me getting ran over by a Challenger, as you can see in the thumbnail. So here's the footage.
All scenes in this video were created using CGI in GTA 6 and are entirely fictional. Do not attempt to recreate any actions shown. This content is for entertainment purposes only.
We stay there for like a cool little hour. Every other spot's like, they're probably there for like 10 minutes, depending on how hot they are. Now that Mustang's gonna rip because he just That's your what?
For real?
Get up close, dude. Want to lead them away from the spot.
Right.
Niggas talking about me on my back like damn.
Nigga, that train station is cold. Sauce now.
Yeah, that's the one that rolled back on me last time. And like the black About 10. Yeah, there's no way you don't hear this shit. It's fucking impossible. What? No, I was coming up the freeway. I didn't see that median in the middle. And then I just dragged it and my tire dropped in the front.
You haven't seen any of these drag races out here?
Drag
He
racing?
just came from.
You got a
Y'all
Charger?
hitting
Are you
those?
drag racing?
Y'all hitting those?
Yeah, what?
Races and stuff.
Where they going now?
Right. You got a V8?
I got
Oh.
Yeah, back
What you be doing?
Huh?
What you be doing? This a Charger, right? Why you not driving like a big truck?
What they give us, man. You guys okay though? You don't need me to call CP or nothing? They'll come out and change the tire for you.
Oh, we good.
Sure?
We got the spare. We'll just take it to the
Yeah.
shop.
You guys
car
be safe
down.
out here. I know you
You
wouldn't
as
tell
well.
me if you were doing the drag racing thing, but if you are, be careful.
This is the night right here. If anything.
Be safe.
We can't even do it. Look how big the car is.
It don't matter. People go watch and anything.
Right. I'm trying to see what you can do in this Charger.
Have a good night. Thank you.
That's a nice Charger. I like that color. That close, bro. What the fuck? That nigga Jack said, bro, you gonna have to kill me before you hit my shit.
Appreciate you.
Hey, Trump!
I was about to get up on there.
What? Yeah. Stay back from that one. Stay back from that one. Bro, what the fuck?
He don't know.
Yeah, I'm straight, bro.
Oh, you good?
Yeah, I'm straight. I'm straight.
Oh.
Go get that nigga. Go get that nigga.
So this is what happened that night, and I got ran over. No joke. And my friend went and chased after him. We was looking for that car the whole rest of the night, to be honest. But I'm not even going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about what you guys shouldn't do. Don't be like me. Don't go thinking you're a rebel or whatever to the take, you know what I mean? Don't go to those, bro. Or at least stay in the car. That's my advice. If you don't got a choice and you're peer pressured that much, just stay your ass in the car. I'm okay. You know what I mean? I'm recording this clip of the day of my 21st birthday. It could have went completely left. I wouldn't have made it to 21. You get what I'm saying? So, this JTSpeeds, you know what I mean? Y'all heard my story. I need y'all to smash the subscribe button. Smash that thing, man. I want 20 likes. If y'all can do that, 20 likes, you know what I mean? I know y'all can do that. But just drop 20 for me. And we gonna get some more story times. I'm gonna get back outside. Ever since that happened, that's when I started watching police chases and just staying at the desk. You get what I'm saying? It was really a wake-up call. So, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. This is JTSpeeds and I'm out. Peace.
I cannot go back and forth, cause you know that my switch, you don't tussle. I switch on my bitch, I got others. You got the ball and you fumble. I got the bag, made it double. You dissing and fucking on dumb hoes. I won't call my bro cause he cutthroat. Fuck the ops, I piss on the logo. Come through and swerve in a quattro.